We're trying.
Hello.
Hello.
Trying to get you in before the rain. So glad you could join us.
Awesome.
The Hoop-Dee-Doo Revue at Disney's Fort Wilderness Campground and Resort is pure Southern charm, wrapped in a toe-tapping, laugh-out-loud dinner show. From the moment you walk in, the hospitality shines, friendly cast members, cozy frontier vibes, and the little things like drinks served in classic glass mason jars. It instantly sets the tone. The food is absolutely top-notch, serving up all the Southern comfort favorites you crave. Thick, crispy fried chicken, tender barbecue ribs, creamy mac and cheese, fresh cornbread, baked beans. And whatever you do, save room for dessert. Even if you think you can't, partaking in the strawberry shortcake was our non-negotiable. It's the sweetest ending.
Hold it, hold it, hold it. Who's celebrating? How do we say, honey? George
And Tammy.
and Tammy will from
Florida.
Florida. How many years?
27.
27 years.
Now, folks, there's a whole lot of love in this building, that's right. So let's do some living. To every one of our participants, we have an award for bravery, for going above and beyond the call of duty, and for making this the best pageant ever.
But the food is only half the magic. Everyone really comes for the party. The live music, comedy, clapping, singing, and audience interaction. It turns dinner into a full-on celebration. And I'm talking a 3-hour celebration. It's loud, joyful, and unforgettable. Come for the food, come for the fun. If you're looking for a unique Disney experience filled with great food, warm hospitality, and nonstop fun, Hoop-Dee-Doo Revue is a must.